Want to sign up for BitCo Home Fibre? Here's how. The process involves fiber network operators, or FNOs, who own the physical fiber infrastructure in your area. BitCo activates and manages the internet on the FNO's network to offer services to end users like you. For this example, we'll use Vumatel. Step 1. Check your home fiber coverage. Go to bitco.co.za and begin by clicking on the coverage map to check home fiber coverage in your area. Areas that are covered are highlighted in dark blue. Once you've located your area, click Shop Packages to begin your journey to real, uncapped, unshaped internet. Alternatively, if you're still unsure of the package you'd like, click Help Me Choose and fill in your details in the form. A friendly consultant will call you back to help you identify the best package for you. Step 2. Choose your package. View and select the package that best suits your home fiber needs. Step 3. Complete your order. Make sure you have the following documents ready for upload: a copy of your ID and proof of residence. Now, click on the drop-down menu and select an option that's valid for you. Then, fill in your details in the form. Remember to upload the required documents. Once completed, your order will be placed with BitCo, and then with the FNO, you will receive an automated email response while your order moves through the process. Keep a lookout for an email with further instructions. Take note of the following. BitCo will contact you within 12 to 24 hours of placing your order, but the installation is done by the FNO in your area, not BitCo. This process can take up to 2 to 3 weeks, provided home fiber coverage in your area is live. Areas in a pre-build stage could take up to 3 to 6 months. If you have not received any contact from the FNO within 5 working days of placing an order, please contact the BitCo projects team to help you follow up with the FNO. Once you have received your scheduled date from the FNO, please let the BitCo projects team know so that we can coordinate the delivery of your router. Once the FNO equipment is installed into your home, you will not be live immediately. The FNO still needs to activate your line. Connection can take up to 24 to 72 hours, depending on your FNO. You will receive your router from BitCo within 24 to 72 hours after the FNO has activated your line. Your free-to-use router will be couriered to your home, or a technician will come to site if you have selected that option. Plug and play, you are live. In the very unlikely event you experience difficulty in connecting or require support, contact the support team on 087-135-0050 or email support@bitcohome.co.za. Welcome to the BitCo family.